That's right. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. See, I don't warn you. No, I not tell you. Based on feedback, I mean, a lot of you, Giovanni, I mean, this is not say you have decided to say, don't wait and see. Behind the scene for crowd there. Ladies and give it up for them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. I told you, a simulja cock shra. Back, front cock shra. Hello, baby. Hi, Rejoice. How you doing?
I'm okay. You?
Great. Good to see you. You're all new faces. New faces. So tell us about yourself. What do you do?
I completed nursing school last week.
Oh, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, Panya. Oh, come on, give me Panya. Oh my God. So you have ignored the backside to shoulder, hammy shoulder. Nurse, hammy shoulder. Yeah. Christiana. Hey, gospel musician. Now it's saying, what do you do?
I'm a journalist and a model.
A journalist and a model. Yeah. That is why. Because I was like, the way you were walking, it is different from. Yeah, please come and give us something small on the. No. Just shrug. Aha. Thank you. Aha. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. Wow. Oh, journalist and a model, grab the mic. What is your take on global warming? Journalist. What is your take on global warming? Ghana's GDP and the take on the budget. I'll be back to you. Really, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't hear that. Feeling. Hey, madam. Feeling. Sir, are you a twin?
No.
Okay. What do you do, feeling?
I'm a student of Kumasi Technical University.
Oh, wonderful. Studying what?
Fashion design.
That's right. And you are single because?
I'm single because he got someone pregnant.
Oh, man.
But one funny thing is that I came for the audition and he was also here.
To get more people pregnant? To fiakwa. You thought you were running away from him. Don't blame him or blame us. We said everyone deserves love. He came. He's everyone. Wow. So did we pick him or you are not sure?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. If you see him on stage, what would you tell him?
I'll switch off my rush for him.
You go like me, Nyebio. That's right. All right. Let me move over to you, Lovia. Hello.
Hello,
Lovia, how you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Wow. I feel like I'm in the classroom. So, Lovia, tell us about you.
My name is Lovia.
I mentioned it.
But you can call me Miss London.
Hey.
Yes. I am a spa. I mean, I do pedicure, massaging, and etc. Exactly, Giovanni.
Oh, wow. So why did you break his heart?
Giovanni, he broke my heart because I didn't hear an English. So it take education people.
You struggle with grammar?
Exactly.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, dance. Baby, how are you?
I'm fine.
Nice. Tell us about you.
My name is Nana Yadanso. I am an actress and a script writer.
A script writer?
Yes, please.
Oh, how long have you been doing that?
For the past 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Oh, that's impressive. Yeah. And you're single because?
Honestly, I left him.
You left him?
Yes.
Why?
I was into those sugar daddy stuffs, okay, and then I decided to.
Stuff? Okay.
Yes, I decided to stop. So, yes, that's all.
That's okay. I mean, but the good thing you're on Ghana's favorite platform to find love. Date Rush! Everyone, That's right. That includes you, Lily Brown. Lily Brown. Lily Brown, what do you do? You're a student studying
Traveling and tourism management.
traveling and tourism management.
Yeah.
Just said, want to know Farco. Nice. And you're single because?
My past relationship was just on and off, so.
On and off.
Yeah.
ECG. All right. Let's move on to Safwa.
You know the name, right?
GMB. Safwa. What do you do?
I'm actually an actress, a musician, and a model, but I currently work as a cashier.
You have your own songs or you sing other people's songs?
No, I have my own songs.
Okay, come on. Give us something light. Something light. Let's go. Safwa.
My own or any?
Your own or give us.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Yay! Wow, that's a very challenging choice of song. But you nailed it. You nailed it. Come on. Give it up for Bantama Adele. That's right. Next. What's the name? Beren.
Beren.
Oh, wow. Are you Ghanaian?
Half Ghanaian.
Half Ghanaian, half what? Nigerian?
Half Kumasian.
Kumerika for Muhaju. Sir. So you are only traveling to Ghana briefly?
Yeah.
Sir. Okay. What do you do?
I'm a musician as well.
Oh, yeah. She deals in music too. Okay, if you want to give us something,
Yeah, sure.
let's go.
Never find someone like you.
Go and find yourself. Go and find yourself. Go and find yourself first. Okay.
Hello, Giovanni.
AKA Small.
Nyaze Sheiko.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
I'm a queer. I'm a model and a beautician.
Oh, yeah? That's right. Now let me go to Rachel. Yes?
Giovanni.
Yes, boo. Talk to me.
Well, me ton Tadeo.
Sir. Yes. Put it bell. Sir. So why we are see you? We are no force now.
Me any force ne.
You saw what you're wearing right
Yes.
now. Area bang.
Oh, Fanko Barrier.
Oh, sir. We need police for now.
Aye.
Allah. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big shout going out to Twillium Industrial, producers of Rush Energy Drink, Smart Energy. Come on, give it up for them. Thank you very much. And of course, thanks to Airtel Tigo as well. You home can predict who goes out on a date tonight. I beg, who they go out on a date tonight? Mention the name loud. I can't hear you. You, Safwa. Oh, okay. Now that you know, now that you have your options, please make sure you're voting via the TV3 reality app. All right? Date Rush, everyone. We'll be right back. Stay on. That's right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back from break. Come on, give it up for yourselves. Date Rush. That's right. You see, this love journey, some people, they try them, they be for them. Then they go try again. Be fat. You understand? But one good thing about this whole love story, especially relationships, is that sometimes your past experiences become a learning, part for you. And sometimes encouragement or words of advice from your parents, they help you find your true partner. So today I'm asking you at home, and especially my contestants here, that one single advice from your parents in entering a relationship that you never forget. Yebab, one relationship advice from your parents. Yeah. So let me start off with you, Rachel.
Okay. My father tells me I should make my own money so that I don't put my burden or responsibilities on my man or my husband.
Thank you.
Yeah.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
Hello, Giovanni.
Yes.
My mom taught me how to be a cheerful giver, respect my partner, and also make peace with him because that's what holds relationship for long.
Peace of mind. Young car. National Peace Council, Darcy. Baron?
Oh, my mom used to tell me I should find someone who is very respectful, treats everybody equally, who has money, who can take care of his kids, and lastly, someone who is very tall, because I'm not tall.
Oh,
She
so your
doesn't
mom
want
is looking
short
at...
people.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's tired of short people.
You don't want your babies carrying you in future.
Never.
All right. Let's go to Safwa.
Okay, Giovanni, actually, one thing I love about my mom is that she's very supportive.
Okay.
My dad is, but not like my
Like
mom.
mommy, okay.
And I've actually been in just one relationship,
Your entire
SHS Love. When we were in school and we started dating, I actually took him to her.
go see your mom,
Yes,
yeah.
that is my boyfriend. And one thing she told me was that we should just keep the love going. I should give him the respect as much as possible. I should be submissive and support him whenever I can. So it has made me become such an independent woman that I don't know how to depend on a man.
That's
so
right.
yeah.
That's beautiful. A round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen. Lily Brown. Yanko.
The relationship advice I got from my mom is
Yeah.
to be supportive and hardworking. She's always like, "Ukona ukoya ukadra, you send you will be feel," like that kind of thing. So yeah.
Nice one. All right. Theophylline.
Giovanni.
Yes.
Okay, so my mom said I shouldn't look at handsomeness, but rather...
Don't go for the looks.
Yes.
Don't go for a man's looks.
Yes.
Okay. But rather what?
But rather look into the pockets of the man.
Hey.
Yes.
Your mom is in the comment section.
Yes.
On Facebook.
Yes.
She said it to you.
Yes.
That how did she say it? How did she say it?
She said, "Me share bema hofe, but share nibotum."
Sir?
Yes.
Mommy. Mommy, the experience nekasa. All right, rejoice.
Giovanni,
Yes.
sincerely, I'm very emotional right now.
Why?
But may her soul rest in peace.
Oh.
I lost her over 8 or 7 years ago.
Wow.
But growing up, one thing she was so key about was man isn't blood. Whoever I get married to isn't blood related to me. That is, the man is not my sibling. And another thing she was so key about was what happened to her should never happen to me in life.
So she made sure of that.
Yeah.
Teaching you the right path. Even
Yes.
though probably she might have gotten it wrong.
Yeah.
You would get to fix that for
Yes.
yourself. Wow. All right, that's impressive. Yadanzwa. Yes.
Giovanni.
Yes.
All right, so I've always stayed with my dad. I didn't get to know my mom.
Okay.
Yes. And one thing my dad always tells me, do not stay in an abusive relationship. Be tolerant enough, but never stay in an abusive
Very
relationship.
important. Very, very important. And abuse comes in various forms. Physical, emotional, and all that. Don't stay. Sometimes we are tempted to believe that you might be too late before it fasts. And then that's not what the father said. I wasn't there. So why are you looking at me? Hello? Hello? Am I the father? A round of applause for the lady. Clap for her. Give it up. Give it up. Yeah, done. So, thank you. Love ya. Yanko.
Giovanni, my father and my mother died when I'm a children. But I live with people who have marriage. And they advise me that if I'm going into a relationship, I should took a one who respects me the way I am. I shouldn't think about money. The person who took me as a children took me as the way I am. I appreciate your mouth.
Date rush. Episode and season way. Bibia Kashra Brofo expression. Ahonfe. Christina.
Giovanni,
Yes.
I'm the only child of my mom, and my mom is a single parent.
Wow.
So the advice she always gives me is go for a man who is always going to be there for you, so that when I'm no more, you wouldn't suffer in life.
Yeah, that's very expressive. Come on, a round of applause for my ladies. That's right. And for those of you in the comment section, and of course on the TV3 reality app, We want to say big thanks to you. You are a real MVP. Share the link, talk about it, continue the conversation on your WhatsApp platforms, in your homes, wherever you're watching us from, Trotsky's, or wherever you're catching up the show from, on repeat as well. I think they've been very phenomenal. A round of applause for them, please. Come on, give it up, give it up, give it up. And are you ready for our very first gentleman? Oh, you're not excited, though. I'll let them go. That's right, that's right. Detrás. All right, our first profile video for the first guy is ready. Please, let's take a look.
My name is Augustine Nyaba, also known as Action General. I am a TV and radio broadcast engineer. I also manage an NGO called Tokrokitwa Emunsempi. I also do a bit of comedy to entertain the people around me.
My name is Parental, and Augustine is my friend. We've been friends for over 2 years. We met at work, and then since then it's been so beautiful.
I come from a family of 5. I am the 4th born. I come from Bolga in the Upper East region.
He's kind of a friend that you always want to be around him because he puts a lot of effort into seeing each other. He is so transparent, he is interesting, he is jovial.
I like to see people around me achieve their aim and then get to where they want to get in life. I also like entertaining the people around me.
Action like fashion, so anything fashion he likes.
I dislike people who talk about negative things. In fact, I don't want to talk about negative things at all.
He always wants to see you smiling, and he cares so much as a friend. And I've never regretted having him as my buddy. So I used to call him Action General.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Action General Augustine! Hey! Go! Aha! Hey! 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 Come on! Hey! 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 That's right. That's right. Freestyle. Yanka. Ah, that's right. Come on. That's right. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you one of... Who break your heart?
Again, sorry, I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk about him. That's okay. But let me ask you one very important question. You see the ladies and they here?
Yeah, I see them.
You see them?
Yeah.
Your taste inside.
Them all be my taste.
Hey! All right, ladies, decision time. All right. Okay, there we have it. My brother, we still have 3 rushes on. Yeah. So let me find out from the ladies why they are off. Rejoice. What happened?
Giovanni.
Just the first video.
Yeah, I actually mentioned your name. I wanted to ask him something. Since you didn't hear,
I
decided
to
off.
That's okay. What was it? What do you want to ask him?
I wanted to ask if he's too tribalistic. Because,
tribal?
Yeah.
Why?
He came in with a song that I think is from his region, right?
Well, not really. Fancy Gadam is a musician in Ghana. We all enjoy his music. Not really. But I get what you mean. So you want to find out if he's looking for a partner from his side of Ghana?
No.
Okay.
Is
so
he so much into his tribe? That is what I wanted to ask. Because of the song.
Because of the song.
That is, I don't know who played that song. I didn't know it was Fancy
Okay,
Gadam. So I thought it was one of the people from the north.
But do you have a problem with that? You want to ask him?
I have a problem with that because I don't like tribalistic people.
Okay. Yeah. So she's asking if you, oh, I'm sure you heard her.
Okay, I actually didn't select the song, but maybe the DJ out of his creativity selected hearing my profile. Yeah.
All right, that's right. That's
okay.
right. Okay.
So if that is it.
Thank you. She's back on. She's back on. All right, that is out of the way. Let me talk to Theophilin. Theophilin, what happened? Adeng.
He's actually not my spec.
He's not your spec.
Yes.
All right. What's your spec again?
Tall, dark.
Tall.
Yes.
So you want someone taller than him?
He's too slim for me.
He's too slim.
Yes.
But what is slim macho that? What is slim macho that?
Giovanni, please, can I say something?
Yes.
Actually, I lost weight due to some reasons. This is not how I am. This is the impact of the heartbreak I had previously. I lost weight due to some reasons. This is not how I am. This is the impact of the heartbreak I had previously.
Ladies and gentlemen, permit me to rebrand this episode. Gina Hodge, Bagabos. If you carry, come, you take.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
That's right. Love ya. If you bring your English, you will take it. God, why is your rush off? Yes.
Because I'm black. And his too is black. Giovanni, I don't want to create a children who is too contagious for my liking.
Okay, that's okay.
I want like my children to be mixes.
Yeah. You don't want Chaco. Okay.
Thank you.
That's okay. Yes. All right. Hell, Baron, what happened?
My esophagus and his osmosis doesn't connect.
Esophagus and you dear, whatever crime English has committed, just abuse it.
It's serious.
I want a tall guy.
You wanted a tall guy. Hey. And now, since if you are calling him short, let me measure my height. It's like, if you are the standard of short, your height. Hey, he's taller than you.
Yeah.
Hey, sir.
He looks too smallish for me.
Yeah. Okay. Now, the thing is that we have another video and then another video. 2 more to decide. So, but are you impressed so far, sir?
Oh, yeah, it's not bad, actually.
Yeah, this is from the first video.
Yeah.
You are sure that after the second, third, you still have hope? Vim Day.
Oh, yeah, I'm taking someone home.
You are taking someone home?
Yeah.
My guy. Ladies and gentlemen, my guy. All right, let's go for the second profile video.
We started dating way back in SHS when I was at Takwa. After SHS, I left Takwa to come and hustle in Accra.
He came to struggle when things were cool. He wanted the lady to come over to stay with him.
She came. We had fun. I go to the office with her. I do everything with her. After a week, she went back to where she came from. And we used to talk on phone each day and night. For about 3 days, she stopped picking my calls. And I was like, how? I tried calling her for about a week. She never picked. So I told my friend about it, and we decided to go to where she is to look for her.
So when we got there, the first thing that we wanted to do is to see the parents. So when we were about to see the parent, we saw the father, and then we rushed to the father, we spoke to him, and then the father just came out.
In fact, I lost control. I even collapsed, and I spent about a week in the hospital.
It was crazy. It was crazy. He just went off.
As you can see me, I've grown very lean. this is not how I am. I'm still suffering the impact of what she did to me. But I believe coming on Date Rush, it will wipe away my tears. And then I will get the opportunity to meet the next life partner.
Wow, such an emotional one. So wait, you used to be bulky?
Oh yeah, like I get body. I used to get body.
You used to get
like
body.
Your
no,
own.
no, you still have somebody, but you don't do like I'm speaking to a skeleton.
Yeah,
like you still have something small. But what I mean is, you used to be very chubby, bulky, and all.
Yeah, yeah.
Not like my own. Don't look here. Don't look here.
That's what I wanted to say. I was just like you because I used to lift metals and things.
Yeah. Yeah. Push up and
oh no, like I do that just to gain weight. Yeah.
So I bet me.
This year they call.
Okay. No, but such a sad story. What happened? The lady just broke up with you, or?
Like the father even told me that the day we went to him, she told me, when him said big worry next 2 weeks, and I was like, how? Like things were in place.
She agreed. She agreed to
yeah.
it. Sorry about that.
All right. Ladies, decision time. Okay. Safwa, you cannot can.
I'm really sorry about that. Like, I'm trying to put myself in his shoes, and it could be a very painful thing. I'm sorry it doesn't work for me. I would have loved to nurse your wound and be there for you, but the connection is not there. I wouldn't love to lead you on and hurt you also.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. People like him deserve true love. True love. Yeah. Lily, for you, you've already stated it that it's not working. And
they are the ones instead. The two of them.
Yeah. So what? When you saw them off, you also went off?
No.
All right.
No connection.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me go to Lovia. You are off now.
Giovanni, I want to speak.
Okay. Yanko.
Gentlemen, I'm Lovia. And the way you are spoken is too emotion. So I have to give you a chance. But please, my question you have to answer.
Okay.
Me, I'm not education. The English that I'm speaking, I learned from others. Good one and fake one. So I need a boy who, if I'm with you, you teach me. And the question I want to ask you is, if you intro, I'm with you and we go to like your friends, and I spoke my English, and they laughed at me about the public, will you took me the way I am, or like you shy because you reject me?
You will not go to any friend here. You will not go anywhere.
Oh, Giovanni.
Yeah, sorry.
She can took me out.
You will stay
so
home.
I have to know somebody you don't like embarrassment.
Yeah, I know.
So like, will you took me the way I am?
Okay, Giovanni, please, can I answer that?
Yes, please.
Okay. Concerning you not being able to speak English, I believe English is a language.
Yeah.
And we didn't get up one day speaking English. So gradually, as you keep on speaking and me backing you, I believe you can speak and then speak it very well.
Yeah,
that's one.
That's right. All right.
I'm not done.
You.
Secondly, you spoke about me taking you to my friend. In fact, in the relationship, even though I like my friends, but they don't take decision for me concerning my relationship issue. No.
Yeah, you are really a gentleman.
If I decide, no matter who you are, I go with you.
That's right. All right. That's very beautiful. And Charlie, we are learning a lot of things today. Ika, you are on, but you still want to...
Before I make my decision, I want to ask a question. He's not really my spec, but I want to know what he does and how much he earns in a month.
Okay, so we have a final video. We have a final video that projects a few of those things you want to know. But I'm not sure it's safe for him to mention money on TV. But what do you do? Maybe you can tell us what you do.
I do a lot. Firstly, I am a TV and radio broadcast engineer. I build TV and radio stations for owners, and then I also work in the MCR when it comes to TV production. Aside that, I manage an organization. It's called Tokro Ketwa Emunsempi. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's called what? Tokro Dieng?
Tokro Ketwa Emunsempi. It's actually in the Bible.
The Tokro Ketwa is a foundation.
Yeah, it's in the Bible, yeah.
Is it a foundation?
It's a foundation.
Okay, all right. Tokro Ketwa, madam. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'm not thinking anything. Hello, I'm not thinking anything. Rachel.
Well, Giovanni, he's a very emotional guy, and I don't think I can be with such
That's why
person.
you are.
Yeah,
Okay.
There's no vibe, yeah.
I understand. But wait, what does this mean to you? This is a personal question. For someone who's been through that side of love, that lonely part, you know, have you done enough in healing? What does it mean to you coming on Today Trash to find out?
Giovanni, I had one belief that all the ladies on Date Rush have been carefully selected and screened.
Yeah.
And for that matter, I will be safe in their hands one way or the other. So even though I've gone through a lot, but I believe Date Rush is the best platform I can find the love of my life.
Date Rush! That's right. Let's check out the third and final video.
In the next 5 years, I see myself as one of the biggest media entrepreneurs in Ghana.
I actually want to be a media guru, to have one of the biggest media institutions in Africa.
And also to employ more people in addition to what I have already.
When it comes to Augustine, it doesn't actually care too much about shape, height.
I don't really fancy in body shape, but my girl should be a bit tall.
They actually look at the desirable qualities in women. Somebody who is emotionally matured.
A lady with no boundaries that I can have her anytime I want her. Not in bed, but rather to get that relationship.
And somebody who is very hard working. That is his choice of woman.
100,000 is not bad. First of all, I believe in feeding the street. So part of that money will go on the street. Part will go to the family, and then I will invest the rest into my business.
Action's favorite color is wine.
Date Rush, everyone deserves love.
Applause, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies, this is the final video, but as we can all see, only one rush is on. I'll give you a final chance. I rarely do this. I hardly do this. I'll give you one last chance for those who want to come back on to come. But if you want us to remain with the 1, 2, it's accepted. So, decision time. What? What happened? Competition.
Giovanni, I wish I can be with him, but I'm very smallish and I don't like a smallish guy. And
Yes.
yeah, I like TikTok guys. Yeah, when he came, like after watching his video, I wanted to give a try, but there's no connection.
You're probably letting a good guy go, I know. Yeah, but, well. Augustine, my brother, I wish I had a sister. But you seem like a very good guy. You seem like a very, very good guy. I'm sure it took a lot of courage for you to get here.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we can promise you love or dating on the show, but we can't force love on the show. But we wish you all the very best in your future endeavor finding love, because we still believe that people like you, especially you deserve love. All right? I think it deserves a round of applause. Please, come on. Thank you so much, my brother, for coming. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Give it up for him. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.
So sometimes on this same platform, it's not always going to be very rosy. It's not going to be very, very nice. But Augustine, I must say congratulations. You're a very smart guy. I absolutely loved how you answered your questions. And I think the ladies should have seen more beyond, you know, whatever happened on the stage. And then, I don't want to say be smarter, but do you think they were looking at other things instead of your, you know, maturity?
First of all, let me thank you for your congratulations. I think some ladies of nowadays, they don't look at the future, they look at your present. I think
But
that
your
is...
presence is even very, very impressive.
Oh, yeah, but I don't know what they saw.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on how they think. And I would say I'm not actually disappointed. I believe there is more room for improvement. And one thing, they trash. Organizers, please. I had hope, and I still have hope that it's only on the trash that I can find the love of my life.
So you'll be coming back?
I'm pleading on them. They should give me another chance to come for the love of my heart. Charlie, like I'll be happy.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll be happy.
At this point, honestly, I'm lost for words. I'm just hoping that my producers will, you know, because maybe when we have the all guys episode or something, maybe we can fit you in there. You never know. Never, because we've seen people who have come like this and they didn't get a date, and they come back during the all guys episode or all ladies episode, and then it works for them. So, Augustine, I wish you all the best. Trust me, you have a very beautiful story, and well done. They just didn't see the future. Me, I'm seeing the future, so don't worry. We'll talk, okay?
Okay.
I got you.
I got you too. Thank you.